Hello guys, today we're going to take a look at some of the best car dashcam. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Basis 100-watt power bank 2000 mAh. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and high-capacity power bank is essential, especially for professionals and tech enthusiasts. The Basis 100-watt power bank offers a robust solution with its impressive 2000 mAh capacity and versatile charging capabilities. Compatibility. The Basis 100-watt power bank is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Dell, Lenovo, and Apple laptops. This makes it an ideal choice for users who work across multiple platforms. High capacity. With a 2000 mAh battery, this power bank can charge multiple devices before needing a recharge itself. This high capacity reduces the frequency of recharging, giving you more freedom to focus on your tasks. Versatile output. Equipped with 2 Type-C ports and 2 USB outlets, the Basis 100-watt power bank can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. The 100 watts output ensures that your devices charge quickly and efficiently, even while you're using them. Rapid self-charging. Number 2. Escort MaxCam 360C Laser Radar Detector and Dash Camera. The Escort MaxCam 360C Laser Radar Detector and Dash Camera is a high-performance device that combines radar detection with high-definition video recording. Designed for drivers who prioritize safety and comprehensive protection, this device offers exceptional range, accuracy, and advanced features to enhance your driving experience. Exceptional detection range. The MaxCam 360C provides outstanding detection range, leveraging the same advanced Blackfin 706 DSP and SDR-AD9363 chips used in Escort's flagship Redline 360C radar detector. This ensures enhanced sensitivity and a higher level of protection against speeding tickets. Outstanding accuracy. The device is engineered to deliver precise accuracy, minimizing false alerts with its powerful hardware and software. This results in a quieter driving experience by focusing on the most relevant alerts, allowing you to stay informed without distractions. True 360-degree directional awareness. Featuring true 360-degree detection, the MaxCam 360C identifies threats from all directions. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is designed for drivers seeking a discreet yet powerful dashcam solution. With its compact size and advanced features, this camera offers robust vehicle monitoring and incident recording capabilities without drawing attention. Ideal for those who prefer a subtle, high-performing device. Compact design. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is about the size of a car key, allowing it to mount inconspicuously behind your rearview mirror. This design ensures that the dashcam remains virtually unnoticed, while providing continuous monitoring of your vehicle. High-definition video capture. Equipped with a 140-degree lens, the Mini 2 records in 1080p resolution. The Garmin Clarity HDR optics enhance video quality, delivering crisp and clear footage day and night. This ensures that important details, such as license plates and road signs, are captured with high precision. Voice control. The dashcam features voice control capabilities in several languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. This allows you to use spoken commands to save video, start or stop audio recording, take still photos, and more, providing hands-free operation while driving. Automatic video upload and cloud storage. Videos recorded by the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 are automatically uploaded via a Wi-Fi connection to the secure Garmin Vault online storage. This feature Number 4. Cobra SC400D Ultra HD 4K Dash Camera. The Cobra SC400D Ultra HD 4K Dash Camera offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. With its high-resolution recording, built-in Alexa, and advanced connectivity options, this dashcam is a top choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich recording solution. Ultra HD 4K video resolution. The Cobra SC400D provides stunning UHD 4K resolution, capturing 4 times the pixel resolution of 1080p. This high-definition video quality ensures that every detail of your drive is recorded clearly, whether you're on the road during the day or night. The dash cam includes a rear-view camera to monitor both the front and rear of your vehicle. 3-view capability. The SC400D comes with a front-facing dash cam and a rear-facing accessory cam, offering dual-view capability. For additional coverage, you can add an optional cabin view accessory camera, enabling simultaneous recording of the road ahead, behind, and inside your vehicle. Heads-up navigation. Enhance your driving experience with on-screen notifications for upcoming turns, even when your map application is running in the background on your phone. This feature helps ensure you stay on course and reach your destination on time. Live police alerts. The Cobra SC400D is equipped with exclusive live police alerts, providing real-time information on radar speed zones, speed camera locations, and other relevant alerts. This feature helps you stay informed and drive more safely. Number 5. Vantru N4 3-channel Dashcam. Vantru N4 3-channel Dashcam offers robust features with its triple-channel recording capability, capturing high-definition video from multiple angles. This dashcam is ideal for a variety of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, minivans, and buses. It boasts a range of specifications and features designed to enhance driving safety and provide reliable evidence in case of accident. 3-channel recording. The Vantru N4 excels with its 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees interior camera, and 160 degrees rear camera. This setup allows simultaneous monitoring of the front, interior, and rear of your vehicle, resolutions of 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p. It's particularly useful for ensuring comprehensive coverage and protection against potential accidents and liability issues. Additionally, a free GPS player with zoom-in functionality helps capture high-resolution images, including license plates. 4K and 1080p dual recording. When using the front and rear dual recording mode, the dashcam provides 4K, 21160p resolution from the front camera, and 1080p from the rear camera. The rear camera comes with a 20 feet extension cable, allowing for flexible installation and adjustment up to a full 360 degrees. This feature is compatible with various vehicle types, including cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks. The front camera's 4K resolution ensures clear visibility of road signs and license plates. 1440p interior and front recording. The Vantru N4 can also be configured to record both the front and interior of your vehicle in 1440p resolution. This is especially advantageous for rideshare drivers who need to document activities within the cabin. The adjustable inside camera offers greater flexibility and better viewing angles.